So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to create a new drum loop from an existing drum loop. I'm going to click on here, click on basic, and scroll up to here. I'm going to pick basic rock drum set 01 and drag this into this empty track. Click import, and now what I'm going to do is I'm going to delete this track and close this window. I'm going to zoom in using command and cursor keys. So this is the audio track that we're using. What I'm going to do is I'm going to cut this up. I'm going to put snap to division, and then select toolbar by pressing T and scissors tool. What I'm going to do is I'm going to cut basically anywhere that's on the grid. So if I click somewhere half here, it'll go to following this snap on here. So I'm going to click this to cut it up. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to move these regions around. So we're going to come up with a new drum beat. Once I've done that, I'm going to go and explain how the drag mode works. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put shuffle L. So anything that I move to the left, this will basically move or shuffle like a deck of cards. So if I move this region here, it basically moves all that across, so forth. If I change it to shuffle right, it'll do the other way. So what I'm going to play this, and we just made a new drum loop on here. Next one I'm going to show another feature, so I can make this as one complete audio file. To do this, I'm going to press T, I'll select the blue tool, and I'll click and I'll highlight, and then click again, and this will create a new audio region. So once we've done that, we're going to change the mode back to overlap. And next thing to do is we're going to copy this across and change this back to smart or snap, and then I'm going to copy this across. So I'm going to highlight that by holding down Option and mouse, highlight again, hold down Option, click and drag. So this is how I copy the region files across.